Right, this is a brand new Powerbase 550 watt electric grass trimmer. What we got inside: that's the cover, one of the handles, that's the actual trimmer, that piece there, and an instruction booklet. Next thing is, have a look at the instruction book on assembly. First of all, you got to put the handle on. So do that. Put the handle in. Got to unwind this. After you've unscrewed them, pull it out. That fits on there like so. Slide down over there like so. Make sure the washer's gone back on. Push that in there. Line it up. Put that over like so. Line it up. Line it up. Once you've got it lined it up, push that back in. Let's screw it in. Right, once you've got your safety guard out, get your strimmer, fit the safety guard over the top of your strimmer like so. Once you've got it over the top of the strimmer, line the safety guard up there, push it down, make sure it fits perfect. Have to make sure it's flush. Make sure it's flush there. You have an arrow on there which lines up the arrow on the cover. Shows you in the instructions now. Once you've done that, tighten down them 3 screws to adjust the length on it. You can see that's rather small. And screw this. When you unscrew that, pull it up. Screw that up once you've got it the length you want. Screw that up tight, like so. And there you have the length you want. You also have a button on here. If you want to pull that button down, that's to adjust the handle if you want to turn the handle that way or back there, and it clips back into place like so. You can also adjust this handle by turning that, and you can just loosen it off, move that down like so, have it in a number position, and then tighten up like so. And that's how to put together a Powerbase trimmer.